Good evening everyone. Today I will bake Pandesal. The ingredients are salt, granulated sugar, water, bread flour, yeast, shortening, and breadcrumbs. So the first thing you do is I will dissolve salt, sugar, and water. And I will mix it. And the second thing I will do, I will mix the bread, flour, and the yeast. I will mix. And the third is I will put the water mixture to the flour mixture. I will mix the flour until it is dehydrated. The next thing I will do is I will transfer the dough and the next I will knead it to shorten. I will put the dough in a bowl and I will cover it with the plastic in 1 hour. The next thing I will do is I will degauss and flatten the dough. And the next is I will flatten the dough. The next thing I will need to do is I will shape the dough into a boston. The next thing I will do, I will sprinkle and I will roll the dough. I will cut the dough and place it on a tray. I will put the dough in a tray. I will bake the dough in 15 to 30 minutes. This is the final product. This is what you call Pandesal. Thank you.